2025. The number or point of discontinuity of the function fx equal to greatest integer function of x square upon 2 minus greatest integer function of square root of x, where x belongs to 0 to 4 closed interval and the symbol denotes the greatest integer function. So number of points of discontinuity we have to find. So our expression is fx equal to greatest integer function of x square minus upon 2 minus greatest integer function of square root of x, where x belongs to this interval. Now you know generally greatest integer function becomes discontinuous when it takes on integral values. Now we have to check for these and this. Where does these two functions becomes discontinuous? Means where does these functions takes on integer values, and those values will be combined together and they will become the point of discontinuities. Okay, so let us start. Here this x square upon 2 greatest integer takes integer values at the following points. Number 1 is 0. 0 square upon 2 is 0. Now root 2, because root 2 square is 2, means even values. Wherever you get even values at those points, this function will give you integer. So even values you will get at x equal to root 2, because root 2 square is 2 upon 2 1. X equal to root 4. Root 4 square is 4, 4 upon 2 2. Root 6 square 6 upon 2 3. Root 8 square upon 2, that is 8 upon 2 4. Similarly root 10, so it will give you 5. Root 12 square upon 2 6. Root 14 square upon 2 7. Root 16, or x equal to 4 you can say root 16 square upon 2 16 upon 2 8. So you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 values are there. Okay, at which it may certainly discontinuous from this to this. The endpoints we will check for the later on whether it is continuous or discontinuous by checking their limits. Okay, for this point we will check the right hand limit, because 0 plus, and for this we will try to find out left hand limit, because 4 is the upper boundary, so less than 4 we have to check. So we will check it later on. Let us discuss this one. Root under x takes integer values at the following points, because wherever root x becomes integer, that will give you integer. So root x becomes integer at 0 1 and 4, because root under 0 is 0, root under 1 is 1, root under 4 is 2. So these are the three values. Okay, where x equal to 0 and x equal to 4 is in above function also. Only new point of discontinuity we have got x equal to 1. So altogether you are getting, here you have got 9 points, here 2 are matching points and 1 is, so 10 points are you are able to see. But we will check for the discontinuity or continuity at x equal to 0 plus and at x equal to 4 minus. Okay, for both the functions. So let us see. Here point equal to 0 and x equal to 4 is point of continuity, because f0 is directly 0 square upon 2 minus root under 0 equal to 0, no problem. When you take limit x 0 plus x square upon 2 minus root under x, means 0 plus h square upon 2. Okay, so here you are getting like something, you can say that 0 plus 0.0001, so its square will be again a very small number near to 0. So divided by 2 will also give a small number near to 0. So finally you will get this value as 0. Here also same, 0 plus 0.001, square root also gives you near value of 0. So this value will also give you 0. So you are getting these two are same, means limits and the functional value is same, so it is continuous at 0. So I am saying like this. We are not checking for limit 0 minus, because our interval is between 0 to 4, means 0 plus and 4 minus. So f4 is, you know, f4 square upon 2, 8 minus 2 6. Limiting value, that is x tends to 4 minus. So x square upon 2 minus root under x, that is function. Suppose h tends to 0 and 4 minus h we are saying square divided by 2. So, and this is square root of 4 minus h. This will give you 16 plus h square minus 8h upon 2, and this will give you 1 because root under 4 minus h is nothing but 4.00, for example, one type of. So 3.99 you will get. Its square root will be 1.9. So its root is the value will be 3. Similarly here also. This is 8 minus 8h upon 2 plus h square upon 2. This is very small. You can neglect it. This is also very small because 0.001 into, suppose 0.001. So 2 4s are 4 into 0.001 means 0.004. So we are subtracting a very small number from it. So we can get nearly 7.99 type of things, which greatest natural value will give you 7. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So we can say that f4 and limiting value extends to 4 minus is same. So x equal to 0 and x equal to 4 are the point of continuity. So we will remove these points and we will include 1 from the second one. Okay? Because here we have got 0, 1 and 2 point on which this function is taking the integral values. So we will take 1 only, okay, because 0 and 4 are neglected because of the continuity. So our point of discontinuity are 1, root 2, root 4, root 6, root 8, root 12, root 12, root 14, root 10. So 8 points of discontinuity. Thank you.